My name is Samantha O'Shaughnessy and I'm the Huddle lead coach for Undy Football Club. My husband dragged me into it because he's the lead coach for the girls section at Undy Football Club. So he basically wore me down, grabbed me down for a while until I agreed to do the little ones. I've got two daughters myself, one who's 14 and one who's 16, and they wouldn't have tried football had my husband not set up the girls section.
Sam is exceptional as a coach, really good. She's always got a lot of energy, she's always smiling, and she definitely, when you see her training, she has a rapport with the kids and really energises it.
If you'd have been here about an hour ago, you'd have seen the pouring rain that she was setting up the various bits of apparatus today. She does go above and beyond, lots behind the scenes as well as on the pitch.
There was a survey that came out last week from FAWales, and it said that there's been an 8% drop in the amount of children playing sport on a regular basis outside school, and it's so important for their teamwork, their cooperation, their communication, and the more that we can build up children's resilience from the ground upwards, the better they'll be able to function as part of a team and in the work environment.
I love it because I get to play the games. I love to go to a huddle so I can play with my friends.
Sam just embodies what a good coach is. She's really passionate about what she does. She's just one of those people that ultimately you feel is good at coaching, really good for the club, a lot of energy. Overall, she definitely, in my mind, deserves that award.
The girls absolutely love coming every week, and to see them come from not wanting to come out to football to blossoming at the end of the 16-week set is just absolutely amazing for their confidence.